In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using GIMP, a fantastic tool for digital art and photo editing. Whether you're a budding artist or someone who just wants to touch up some photos, GIMP offers a great range of capabilities. Let's dive in and see how you can get started with this powerful piece of software. So first, you're going to want to open your GIMP application. If you haven't installed it yet, GIMP is a free, open-source raster graphics editor available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It's versatile and packed full of tools perfect for photo retouching, image composition, and even more advanced image authoring. For those familiar with Adobe Photoshop, you'll find GIMP to be a robust, cost-free alternative that's well worth exploring. Once you've got GIMP open, you'll find that the interface offers a comprehensive suite of tools located in toolbars around your workspace. You can edit images, make selections, and apply a host of effects. Don't hesitate to explore the menus and discover the range of functionalities available to you. GIMP allows you to manipulate images and graphics in almost any way you can imagine, so have fun experimenting with these tools. When you're working in GIMP, a good tip is to familiarize yourself with layer management. Layers are a vital part of crafting and editing in any graphic software, and GIMP makes good use of them. Think of layers like sheets of transparency stacked on top of one another. You can draw, shade, and render individual elements without affecting the rest of your project. This feature can save you a lot of time and allow you to create intricate compositions more easily. Another useful feature in GIMP is its selection tools. These enable you to isolate parts of your image for editing. Whether you're using the rectangular, elliptical, free selection, or fuzzy selection tools, mastering them will greatly enhance your editing efficiency. With selections, you have the flexibility to adjust colors, add effects, or perform complex edits on only specific parts of your image. Remember that practice is key. The more you use GIMP, the more familiar you will become with its workflow and capabilities. There are countless tutorials available online if you're looking to hone specific skills or tackle particular projects. And there you have it. You've now taken the first steps into the world of GIMP. With its expansive features and tools, you can achieve professional-level results without spending a dime. So grab your graphics tablet or your trusty mouse, start a new project, and watch your creativity flourish. Thanks for watching this guide on GIMP. Be sure to check out more videos that explore different functions and projects using this awesome software. Happy editing!